This Filipino grammar lesson is about how to use the Tagalog pronoun mo, which you can hear frequently in conversations. Mo has two functions in forming Tagalog phrases and sentences. First, it means your in English, which is a possessive pronoun, so it indicates someone's ownership of something or relationship with someone. The other meaning of mo is you, which functions as a second person singular pronoun, so it is used when referring or talking to another person. Mo belongs to the nang group of Filipino pronouns. Here are some examples of using mo as a possessive pronoun. Biyanan mo, meaning your mother-in-law or your father-in-law. Biyanan mo. Birthday party mo. Birthday party mo. Your birthday party. Mga katrabaho mo. Mga katrabaho mo. Your co-workers. Kwarto mo. Kwarto mo. Your room. Bansa mo. Bansa mo. Your country. As you can see, mo as a possessive pronoun is similar to the English word your, so it's really easy to remember. The only difference is the word order. Your comes before the noun, while mo comes after the Tagalog noun. From these short mo phrases, you can start forming longer sentences. For example, mabait ba ang biyanan mo? Mabait ba ang biyanan mo? Meaning, is your mother-in-law kind? Next, ang saya ng birthday party mo. Ang saya ng birthday party mo. Your birthday party is nice, or you have a great birthday party. Kasama mo ba ang mga katrabaho mo? Kasama mo ba ang mga katrabaho mo? Are you with your co-workers? Let's now move on to the tricky part of using mo. Since mo belongs to the nang group of pronouns, it's not the focus of the sentence but rather the object or receiver of an action. There are 4 kinds of Tagalog verbs that usually go with mo. The e-verbs, ma-verbs, in-verbs, and the an-verbs. When you see or hear these verbs, remember that the right pronoun to precede or come after it is mo. Let's use mo with an-verbs or those verbs with the suffix an. Bilisan mo. The verb root bilis means to hurry. If you attach the suffix an, the word bilisan is formed, and it means hurry up or make haste. So the short sentence bilisan mo suggests that you're talking to another person. In English, the word you doesn't need to be mentioned because it's already understood that the speaker is talking to another person. That's why you is in parentheses in the translation. In Filipino, however, the sentence won't make sense if you don't add mo. If you'll just tell me bilisan, I'll be confused and wonder, bilisan what? What exactly do you mean? But if you say bilisan mo, I'd know that you're asking me to move faster. Next, palitan mo. Palitan mo. Meaning, change it or replace it. Lakasan mo. Lakasan mo. Turn the volume up or turn it up. Hinaan mo. Hinaan mo. Turn the volume down or turn it down. Punasan mo. Punasan mo. Wipe it off or wipe it down. Did you notice that these short mo phrases are also imperative sentences? The speaker is giving instructions or commands, so the person spoken to is the receiver of the instruction, And that's another reason why we are using mo. You can add more phrases to these short expressions like bilisan mo, ang bagal mo. Ang bagal mo means you're so slow. Bilisan mo, ang bagal mo. Hurry up, you're so slow. Palitan mo, ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan means I don't like that. Palitan mo, ayoko niyan. Change it or replace it, I don't like that. Lakasan mo, hindi ko marinig. Hindi ko marinig means I can't hear it. Lakasan mo, hindi ko marinig. Turn it up, I can't hear it. Hinaan mo, sobrang lakas. Sobrang lakas means it's too loud. Hinaan mo, sobrang lakas. Turn it down, it's too loud. Punasan mo, ang dumi. Ang dumi means it's so dirty. Punasan mo ang dumi. Wipe it down, it's so dirty. Here are some more examples of adverbs plus mo. Hugasan mo. Hugasan mo, meaning wash it. Tulungan mo siya. Tulungan mo siya. Help him or help her. Bigyan mo siya. Bigyan mo siya. Give him some or give her some. Pirmahan mo. Pirmahan mo. Sign it. Turuan mo siya. Turuan mo siya. Teach him or teach her. Let's now use mo with in verbs or those verbs with the infix or suffix in. Kunin mo. Kunin mo. Get it or take it. Bilhin mo. Bilhin mo. Buy it. Gupitin mo. Gupitin mo. Cut it. Inumin mo. Inumin mo. Drink it. Kainin mo. Kainin mo. Eat it. Linisin mo. Linisin mo. Clean it up. Panoorin mo. Panoorin mo. Watch it. Sagutin mo. Sagutin mo. Answer it. Hipuin mo. Hipuin mo. Touch it. Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo. Say it. Gawin mo. Gawin mo. Do it. Hanapin mo. Hanapin mo. Find it. Damputin mo. Damputin mo. Pick it up. Kagatin mo. Kagatin mo. Bite it. Dalhin mo. Dalhin mo. Bring it or carry it. Our next verbs are the E verbs with mo. Isauli mo. Isauli mo, meaning return it. Itulak mo. Itulak mo. Push it. Itapon mo. Itapon mo. Throw it away. Itago mo. Itago mo. Keep it or set it aside. Itanong mo. Itanong mo. Ask. Let's now use mo with ma verbs. Ma verbs are verbs with the prefix ma. We use them with mo as the doer of the action, but not the focus of the sentence. For example, nakikita mo ba ako? Nakikita is the present aspect of the word makita, meaning to see. Nakikita mo ba ako? Do you see me or can you see me? Although mo is the doer of the verb nakikita, the focus of this sentence is ako. I want to know if you can see me. Next, naiintindihan mo ba? Naiintindihan is the present form of maintindihan, meaning to understand. So it means, do you understand? The focus of this sentence is what is being talked about. Let's make the sentence more specific. Naiintindihan mo ba ang sinasabi ko? Meaning, do you understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying is the focus of the sentence. Nabili mo ba? Nabili is the past aspect of mabili, meaning to be able to buy. Nabili mo ba? Did you buy it or were you able to buy it? Again, the focus of the sentence is the object that the speaker is asking about. I hope that you already know by now that the object, whether mentioned or just implied, is the focus of the sentence and not the doer mo or you. Next example, nakukuha mo ba? Nakukuha mo ba? Meaning, do you get my point? Or do you get it? Maisasauli mo ba? Maisasauli mo ba? Can you return it? Naaalala mo ba? Naaalala mo ba? Do you remember it? Our next set of sentences are Tagalog question words plus mo. The common word order is question word plus mo plus the rest of the sentence. Please observe the verbs that follow mo. I underlined the affixes so you could see them right away. Kailan mo binili yan? Kailan mo binili yan? Meaning, when did you buy that? Saan mo siya nakita? Saan mo siya nakita? Where did you see him? Kanino mo ibinigay? Kanino mo ibinigay? Whom did you give it to or you gave it to whom? Paano mo nalaman? Paano mo nalaman? How did you know? Ilan ang kailangan mo? Ilan ang kailangan mo? How many do you need? Sino ang hinahanap mo? Sino ang hinahanap mo? Who are you looking for? Bakit mo tinatanong? Bakit mo tinatanong? Why do you ask? Bakit mo ginawa yon? Bakit mo ginawa yon? Why did you do that? Saan ang bahay mo? Saan ang bahay mo? Where's your house? Nasaan ang tatay mo? Nasaan ang tatay mo? Where's your father? So that's everything for this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Talk to Me in Tagalog if you haven't already. Maraming salamat po and I'll see you again soon.